Brian Hagedorn is a judge of the Wisconsin Court of Appeals, serving in the court's Waukesha-based District II since August 1, 2015. Life and career. A Milwaukee, Wisconsin native, Hagedorn graduated from Trinity International University in 2000 and was employed by Hewitt Associates before receiving his law degree from Northwestern University. At Northwestern, Hagedorn was president of the school's Federalist Society chapter. Hagedorn was an attorney at the Milwaukee firm Foley & Lardner until 2009, when he was appointed as a law clerk to Wisconsin Supreme Court Justice Michael Gableman. In 2010, Hagedorn was employed as an assistant attorney general in the Wisconsin Department of Justice. In December 2010, Hagedorn was appointed by Republican Governor-elect Scott Walker as his chief legal counsel, an office he occupied through July 2015. As chief legal counsel, Hagedorn was a drafter of Walker's controversial Wisconsin budget repair bill of 2011. In 2014, he served as appointing authority for defense counsel hired to represent state prosecutors sued by targets of a John Doe probe into Walker's staff. On July 30, 2015, Walker appointed Hagedorn to the Wisconsin Court of Appeals to be chambered in the Waukesha-based District II. Hagedorn took office on August 1, 2015 and replaced Richard S. Brown, who served on the court from 1978 to 2015 and as chief judge from 2007.